Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to tell you about 4 steps to creating a lasting digital footprint. This is Abhinav Sabharwal, Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. People are biased to look for simple and immediate solutions that reduce uncertainty, especially during the times of crisis. No surprise then that digital transformation efforts driven by business survival look different from those that are carefully planned and prepared. Instead of a North Star that hovers in the distance above all digital initiatives, the overarching question becomes how can we leverage digital technologies to ensure business continuity now? However, avoiding irrecoverable mistake is critical to ensure more long-term oriented digitalization later. As one business leader in education sector says, the trick is not to squeeze a 3-year digital program in a 3-month program. The trick is to make sure that you do today is still valuable in a few years from now. Now, following are 4 steps provided as a guidelines for companies to leverage the current momentum of their digital transformation for long-term success. The first thing is create and empower your digital A team. There has been much discussion whether digital needs to be driven by a dedicated team or distributed across the different parts of organization. Prior studies show that empowered and well-funded unit is critical for avoiding unnecessary bureaucracy and for accelerating implementation, especially in times of high pressure. When we compare successful and failed digital transformations, one major distinguishing aspect stood out. Successful digital teams were able to hit the ground running from the get-go. That is, while the skills and expertise of team members are surely important, it was the organizational environment and the support that was in place for the digital takeoff. Successful digital teams report directly to the CEO, have enough funding available to make real impact, and own the decisions right to actually affect change on the organizational wide scale. Case, make sure to capture great ideas. Great ideas are generated both internally and externally from employees, customers, suppliers, and partners. To effectively leverage the creative power of their networks, companies need systematic approach to capture ideas and funnel them into pipeline for evaluation and prioritization. Leading organizations have set up clear processes and appropriate tools, platforms that help them to manage constant flow of ideas. Organizations that implement a systematic ideation approach not only benefit from enhanced innovation, but also improved communication, better workplace satisfaction, and ability to support changes in their business landscape before their competitors. During crisis, actively scouting and leveraging great ideas is essential. The recent burst of open innovation during pandemic shows that the vast potential of creating value with frontline employees, customers, and partners. For open innovation to be successful, diversity among partners is key. In fact, the best ideas may come from unexpected places. Third thing is implementing a rapid test and learn environment. Digital disruptors are often said to follow a fail fast, fail often culture. But this could prove to be a costly strategy when the survival of organization is at stake. We recommend that companies strive for test and learn environment that supports hypothesis driven experimentation with rapid turnaround. During a crisis, finding the middle ground between unguided experimentation and risk averse reservation is essential. While playing it safe may seem like a right thing to do, it's important to recognize the opportunity of failing barriers when it comes to experimentation and improvisation among customers, employees, and even regulators. Executives have an opportunity to now quickly implement a system that leverages this environment and allows employees to systematically and effectively formulate and evaluate new ideas around hypotheses. The fourth thing is to plan for long-term success beyond survival. While short-term initiatives can help ensure business continuity, companies must periodically ensure that their actions contribute towards long-term digital success. We recommend that companies periodically ask themselves 2 questions to ensure they are constantly moving in right direction. To conclude, here are some final words. Digital transformation works best when technology follows the pull of change in strategy, structures, and processes, not the other way around, especially in established organizations. At its best, digital transformation unlocks the ability to design a true cultural change and offer employees to become transformation in their own right. A clear purpose and set of shared values and norms helps to make digital transformation journey more graspable for everyone.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for our free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.